came to the Kakochang Waterfall, which is situated near to the Tezpur, and you can see the crowd. It's a Sunday, 29th of January. It's Sunday and huge crowd is here. Lots of buses came for the picnic, I guess. क्या है इसके अंदर? गाहोरी है। ओहो, अच्छा अच्छा। मजा मजा मजा। अरे क्या कर रही है आप? बेकार जंग लगा हुआ लग रहा है ये ऊपर से। Now we have been walking for like more than 15 minutes and जहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट किया था, the point is that the parking point where our car dropped us, and you just see the view. They said that it will take it is 1.5 kilometer walkable distance, and now we feel like we have covered already almost 2 kilometers. So if you have the stamina, if you only come at that time. Without shoes it's impossible to walk because that surface is not so plain. You have to walk. It's kind of a small trekking experience for me. So
it's not a small day.
So our whole member got tired already, and we have been still walking. And still we don't know how far it is from that place. We need to walk again more. So people, this is the place for what we have come for, and just see. Be careful while climbing down. लाहे लाहे जाओ। और यहाँ पे पानी का झाग आ रहा है, so I don't want to use my phone. मेरा फोन पकड़ रही थी। मेरा गया था। मैंने निकाला नहीं। तू लेके नहीं आई? Okay. So, Mr. Sai, you have already taken the bath. How do you feel that?
Feeling cold.
Feeling cold? And excitement is like. I feel like my legs got. What do you call that? Numb हो गया? Yes. Numb हो गया। पैरों में सेंस ऑर्गन कांप रहे हैं, जो पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि पैर हमारा ठंडा है। इतना ठंडा भाई साहब, -डिग्री।
बस ये मैटर पैर तक रहे, ऊपर ना आए।
But the feeling is very awesome.